Hi there! Today I'm going to unbox ROG Theta 7.1 gaming headset. Here we have a solid premium gift box. By opening the gift box, it comes with the well-packed ROG Theta 7.1 and other related accessories. What makes the difference between the general 7.1 headset and our true 7.1 headset? Well, instead of the traditional 5 smaller, bass-compromising drivers, the design of ROG Theta set itself apart from other 7.1 gaming headsets. ROG Theta features 4 larger discrete ASINs drivers in each ear cup, and they come with powerful virtual bass, which help deliver incredible fidelity. And airtight chamber deliver full spectrum, true 7.1 channel surround sound. Moving on to the DAC, an exclusive customized ROG home theater grade 7.1 DAC provides impressive 118 decibel signal-to-noise ratio, which is much higher than any other true 7.1 gaming headset in the market. Equipped with high-res ESS coil amplifier 9601, each of ROG Theta 7.1's 4 ASINs drivers is powered up by 4 individual amplifiers, so its performance is 4 times better than single amplifier. And this helps deliver incredible pure, detailed, and exceptional audio quality. To top it all off, ROG Theta 7.1 gaming headset features 7.1 surround sound with virtual bass, home theater grade 7.1 DAC, and hi-fi ESS 9601 coil amps. The in-game sound is unparalleled. Every gunshot and footsteps come through with pinpoint accuracy and stunning clarity, bringing the battlefield to life for great gaming experience. ROG Theta 7.1 gaming headset provide an AI-powered noise-canceling microphone, and this smart mic reduces distracting chatter, keyboard clatter, mouse clicks, or loud background noises by up to 95%, and it allows you to communicate clearly in any environment. How AI mic works is that it got a dedicated processor loaded with smart profiles trained by AI. An AI algorithm will define the human voice and background voice based on the pattern and volume. And the result is to eliminate over 50 million types of background noises while preserving human voice. Additionally, the detachable unidirectional microphone is certified by both Discord and TeamSpeak, and an indicator lighting on the tip of the boom flashes red when the microphone is muted, letting you see the microphone status easily. Now, I'm going to record my voice with 2 devices at the same time. One is ROG Theta 7.1, and the other one is the camera. It's shot in one take. Now you can hear we have noisy sound, very loud background music, and I'm typing on this blue switch keyboard really hard. AI noise cancellation microphone is really powerful. When you're gaming, you don't need to worry about loud keyboard sound or noises, and you can get great communication. Here's the difference on the noise cancellation effect between the recording of ROG AI microphone and the recording of the camera. ROG Theta 7.1 features ROG hybrid ear cushions, and they help reduce pressure on eyewear to provide better comfort for gamers who wear glasses. What's more, upgraded with the new softer material, these cushions combine specialized fast cooling fabric and 100% protein leather for exceptional comfort and sound isolation. The fast cooling design reduces heat by 25%, and the 100% protein leather provides better sound isolation. 2 types of fit and feel of ROG hybrid ear cushions are here for you to choose from based on your needs or preference, with one pair are perfect for long gaming sessions, and the other one are good for on-the-go use. ROG Theta 7.1 comes with an aluminum alloy ear cup and yoke design that provides better heat dissipation and durability to stand up the rigors of gaming and long-term use. The durable rocker switch on the ear cup lets you instantly control volume, RGB lighting, or mute microphone during gameplay. And an intuitive control button lets you easily switch to PC and phone mode. One thing to mention is mobile phone cannot detect any device with 7.1 surround, so don't forget to switch to phone mode when connected to phone. with the USB-C connector and USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter cable. ROG Theta 7.1 enables wide compatibility with PC, Mac, mobile phone, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo Switch, allowing you to easily enjoy great audio among various platforms. Software offers an intuitive UI and extensive controls. You can take full control of audio experience from 7.1 virtual surround, equalization to 7.1 speaker level balancing. You can even create and apply audio profiles for specific game types and save all kinds of adjustments inside the software for immersive sound quality in any scenario. As for lighting effects, ROG Theta 7.1 comes with eye-catching lighting effect on ROG logo. Choose from over 16.8 million color combinations and 4 preset lighting effects. Powered by RSync, the entire color spectrum and a range of dynamic lighting effects are at your command to create a unique and captivating gaming atmosphere. To summarize, ROG Theta 7.1 is an USB-C gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound, AI noise cancelling microphone, ROG home theater grade 7.1 DAC, ESS cool drivers, and compatible with PC, PS4, Nintendo Switch, and smart devices. With award-winning design, Theta 7.1 is all about delivering the most superior comfort and sound quality.